I ask you what's the strongest currency on earth, most people will say the US dollar, or maybe the British pound. And you would be wrong. The dollar doesn't even crack the top 8. Today, we're counting down the top 10 highest value currencies in the world, as of June 2026, all ranked against the US dollar. Let's go! At number 10, our baseline, the United States dollar or USD. $1 equals, well, $1 obviously. It's the world's dominant reserve currency, used for almost all global oil and trade deals, but compared to everyone else on this list, it's just the starting line. Number 9, the euro, or euro, the official currency of 20 European Union countries. €1 equals $1.08. It's the second most traded currency on the planet, used by over 340 million people every day. At number 8, the world's most famous safe haven, the Swiss franc, or CHF. 1 franc equals $1.13. Switzerland is famous for political neutrality, near-zero inflation, and rock-solid banks. Whenever the global economy shakes, everyone runs to the franc. Number 7, the Cayman Islands dollar, or KYD. 1 KYD equals $1.22. You probably know the Caymans as a vacation spot, but it's also one of the world's largest offshore financial centers with zero income tax, keeping its currency strong and stably pegged to the US dollar. At number 6, the oldest currency still in use today, the British pound sterling, or GBP. 1 pound equals $1.296. Backed by the UK's massive economy and deep financial markets, it's the strongest out of all the major global reserve currencies. Number 5, the Gibraltar pound, or GIP. 1 GIP equals $1.30. Gibraltar is a tiny British territory on the edge of Spain, and its currency is pegged almost 1-to-1 to the British pound, so it edges out the pound by just a tiny margin at today's rates. At number 4, the biggest surprise for almost everyone, the Jordanian dinar, or JOD. 1 dinar equals $1.41. Unlike almost every other high-ranking currency, Jordan has almost no oil. Its strength comes purely from decades of strict central bank rules and an extremely stable peg to the US dollar. Bronze medal at number 3, the Omani Rial, or Omar. 1 Rial equals $2.59. Another Gulf nation, Oman's currency has been pegged to the US dollar since 1986, backed by huge oil and gas exports and ultra-conservative government spending. Silver medal at number 2, the Bahraini dinar, or BHD. 1 dinar equals $2.65. Bahrain was the first Gulf country to discover oil, and now has one of the most diversified economies in the region. It's held a steady US dollar peg for over 40 years. And number 1, the undisputed strongest currency on the entire planet, holding the top spot for decades, the Kuwaiti dinar, or KWD. 1 single dinar equals $3.24. That means just 100 Kuwaiti dinars gets you over 320 US dollars. Backed by Kuwait's massive oil reserves, it's been king for almost 60 years. There you have it, the top 10 highest value currencies in 2026. Did any of these shock you? Be honest, did you expect the US dollar to be all the way down at number 10? If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun money facts. See you next time.